Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the best way to make money online even if you have zero experience. Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to break it down in a way that anyone can understand and get started right away. So you've probably heard of all these complex online business models like YouTube automation, Amazon FBA, and dropshipping, right? Well, these methods can be profitable. They're also super complicated and have a ton of moving parts. For a beginner, that can be pretty overwhelming. You don't need to dive into these complex systems right away, especially if you don't have any experience or technical skills. What you do need is a simple, straightforward approach to making money online. I'm going to show you a method that doesn't require coding skills or handling any technical stuff. The key here is to focus on one critical skill: marketing. Yes, marketing. This is the skill that will unlock the door to online success for you. Now let's talk about marketing. Why is it so important? When you get good at marketing, you can sell almost anything online. Marketing is all about finding the right audience, reaching out to them, and convincing them to buy what you're offering. You can master the skill. The possibilities are endless. But here's the big secret. Don't just sell any products. Focus on digital products. Why digital products, you ask? Well, digital products like online courses, software tools, and platforms are easier to manage than physical products. They don't require shipping and you can sell them over and over again without worrying about inventory. Plus, digital products often have higher profit margins. Let me give you an example. Imagine creating an online course about something that you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Once you create the course, you can sell it to thousands of people without any extra work. It's scalable, and that's where the real money is. So how do you get started? First, you need to pick a niche or an area you're interested in. This could be anything from fitness to photography to personal development. Once you've chosen the niche, start learning about digital marketing. There are tons of free resources online, from YouTube tutorials to free courses on websites like Coursera and Udemy. Learn how to create effective ads, how to use social media to your advantage, and how to build an email list. These are all crucial components of successful marketing strategy. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment and learn, the better you'll get. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? And it still sounds too complicated. It's too much to learn. Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. If you're ready to dive in and learn how to make serious money online, I'm going to tell you about one place where you will find everything at your fingertips. This is a new platform, or a hub if you will, that is going to be pre-built for you. It has high-end products for you to sell, and you're going to have the courses, the tools, basically the whole 9 yards, and you will have a chance to earn as you learn. So I want you to do two things. First, comment interested below this video. This will show me that you're serious about taking the next step. Second, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies. And here's the best part. If you're curious about the exact system I'm using to make money online, just click the link in the video description or in the pinned comments. This link will take you to a page where you can learn all about the methods that I use and how you can start using them too. By focusing on marketing and choosing the right digital products, you can bypass all the complexities and start earning money online, even if you're just starting out. Imagine making multiple 5 figures online with no prior experience. It's totally possible because a lot of people do. So are you ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? Comment interested below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this year the year you start making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.